Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Today we will learn how to animate 3D logos in After Effects. If you look closely, our logo is made up of two layers. The first layer is the colorful symbol and the second layer is the rounded square. To begin, select both layers while holding down the Control key, right-click, go to Create and choose Create Shapes from Vector Layer. This converts the layers into shape layers, which is necessary to create the 3D effect. Then we drag them above. Clicking here activates the 3D mode. And from this window, we select Cinema 4D mode. When we apply it, there's a problem with how the logo 1 layer is displayed. To fix it, go to the layer options and bring the symbol to the front by setting the Z position to -1. Now let's link the logo 1 layer with the logo 2 layer to synchronize their movement. Next, we go to the properties of the logo 2 layer and slightly rotate the Y axis to better see what we're doing. To create the 3D effect, we apply a value of 50 pixels in the extrusion depth option. Go to Contents, select the group, and from the Add option, go to Side and choose the Color option. Apply the color you like the most. Now let's do something similar with logo 1, although we'll need to add a few more steps since logo 1 is made up of 3 different shapes. First, apply a value of 20 in extrusion depth and set the Z position to -20. So the colorful symbol separates from the rounded rectangle and we can see the volume we've created. Go to Contents and see the 3 groups it's made of. Since we want to apply the same color for the depth effect on all 3 shapes, we'll create an empty group and drag the 3 groups into this new group. Select the group and from the Add option, go to Side and choose the Color option. Again, apply the color you like the most. I'm going to increase the depth of the 3D effect a bit. In extrusion depth, I apply 40, and to visualize this depth, I set the Z position to -40. Great! We now have a wonderful 3D logo. Now, we just need to animate it. To do this, advance 3 seconds on the timeline and create keyframes for both position and Y-axis rotation. For rotation, set the value to 1 full turn. Next, return to the beginning of the timeline, move the logo to the right side of the screen and set the rotation value to 0. Let's take a look. To improve the animation, select the final keyframes and with the F9 key, apply Easy Ease to smooth the movement. Now, if we preview, voila! Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.